Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about how to enable live wallpaper on iPhone on iOS device. Guys, this is an amazing feature on iPhone in iOS 17 update. Guys, if you iPhone user and you can update your iPhone on iOS 17. So guys, keep watching this video until the end. You can see tap on general and tap on software update. You can see I have already update on iOS 17 on my iPhone. Now how to enable live wallpaper on your iPhone? Simply tap on camera and take a picture. Here you can see, because I want to take picture this portal where, guys, during the taking a picture your rounding as me you can see appears on screen. Now take a picture and guys, now tap on picture here and tap on share icon. You can see appears on screen. Tap on it here. Now scroll up and use as wallpaper. Tap on it and you can see this is a live wallpaper. Turn off. Simply tap on it and you can see this is a live wallpaper enable. Tap on add. Here you can see, tap on it and use as wallpaper pair and guys, and now turn off your iPhone power button and turn on back here and you can see this is a live wallpaper enabled successfully on iOS 17 update. You can see, guys, if like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.